Hey everyone! Thinking about getting a dirt bike but can't decide between electric and gas-powered? You're in the right place. Today we're breaking down the key differences to help you make the best choice for your riding style and needs. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk power and performance. Gas dirt bikes have been the go-to for years because of their raw power and high speeds. If you're looking for that adrenaline rush, gas bikes definitely deliver. Electric dirt bikes, on the other hand, are quickly catching up. They offer impressive torque and instant power, which means quick acceleration and a super smooth ride. However, they might not hit the top speeds that gas bikes can. Next, maintenance and cost. Gas bikes require more maintenance, think oil changes, air filters, and regular engine checks. These costs can add up over time. Electric bikes are generally easier to maintain. No oil changes, no air filters, just a battery to charge. While the upfront cost might be higher for electric bikes, you could save money in the long run with less maintenance and no gas expenses. Now let's talk ride experience. Gas bikes are typically heavier, which can make them feel more stable, but also harder to handle for beginners. Electric bikes are usually lighter, making them easier to maneuver, especially in tight trails or technical terrain. This difference in weight also affects how the bike feels when riding, so it's something to consider based on your skill level and riding preferences. Eco-friendliness and noise levels are big factors too. Gas bikes are louder and emit exhaust, which can be a downside if you're riding in residential areas or eco-sensitive zones. Electric bikes are much quieter and have zero emissions, making them a more environmentally friendly option. Plus, the quiet ride can be a game changer if you're looking to enjoy nature without disturbing it. Alright, so which one should you choose? If you crave high speeds, love the sound of an engine, and don't mind a bit of upkeep, a gas dirt bike might be your best bet. But if you want something eco-friendly, easier to maintain, and don't mind sacrificing a bit of top speed, an electric dirt bike could be perfect for you. Which one do you prefer, electric or gas dirt bikes? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you on the trails. #electric vs gas, #dirt bike comparison, #best dirt bike, #electric dirt bike, #gas dirt bike, #off-road riding, #dirt bike life.